So, it's that exciting time of the year again when we eagerly await the next big thing in the smartphone world. While the S24 Ultra is on the horizon today, let's dive into some cool details about the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I know it's a bit early for this, but guess what? I got the scoop on 6 interesting things about the Z Fold 6 that I think you should know. Firstly, according to a reputable South Korean media source, the ELEC, Samsung is actively studying foldables from its Chinese rivals to understand how they achieved a slimmer design. The aim is to apply these insights to the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. Samsung believes that improving the slimness of their foldables could enhance the overall user experience, making the devices more appealing to users who prioritize sleek and lightweight designs. Now, the second point is the absence of a dedicated S Pen slot. Samsung previously mentioned that they skipped the S Pen slot on the Z Fold 5 to avoid compromising battery life. With efforts to make the Z Fold 6 even thinner, it's confirmed that there won't be a dedicated slot for the S Pen. A significant drawback of Samsung's Z Fold phones is the narrow cover screen. The Z Fold 6 might address this by changing the aspect ratio, making the cover display wider. While there have been consistent rumors about this in the past, let's hope they finally make the move this time. Moving on, the Z Fold 6 will reportedly retain the same camera setup as the Z Fold 5 and Fold 4, led by the 50MP main camera. While it's a bit disappointing that Samsung is sticking to the same setup for 3 consecutive years, there's a silver lining as the Z Flip 6 is set to receive a camera upgrade. Rest assured, all the AI features introduced on the S24 will also be present on the Z Fold 6, including a video object eraser, image expander, AI Live Translate call, and document summarizer. As a bonus, the Z Fold 6 could come with a dust-resistant rating, something rumored for the Z Fold 5 but didn't happen. Samsung has officially stated that they are working on bringing dust resistance to their foldable devices. And that wraps up our sneak peek into the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Subscribe for all the latest updates on this phone. I'll catch you tomorrow.